going on? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back, y'all. I got my BoxyCharm box. Yes, I can't believe it came today. Yesterday I got my, no, was it yesterday when I looked outside? I think it was yesterday I got the premium because I uploaded the video that, and then today when I opened the door, because I don't check the mail every day. And I don't open the front door every day. I usually go through the garage if I go to the yard. You know, I'm not going. Anyway, this was sitting on the porch. I was like, what? And it's the 12th? Okay, they trying to do better. And it feel a little heavy. And the box beat up, y'all. It is beat up. But it made it, so I'm not going to complain. So let's see what's in this month's base box. The premium box, it was okay. It was alright for me. The lotion, girl, if y'all didn't see that video, go check it out. That hand cream was good. Okay, let's see. I already got my, my little readers in here. Anyway, same flourish, Boxycham flourish. It's the same theme. And let me see what we got here. Oh, I guess because I didn't choose, I ended up getting this because I already had it. So let me grab it. Not mad because I like it, but this is the, let me tell y'all what it is while I'm running my mouth. Let me put it up here. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow One. An instant lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brightens. Let your skin come through to deliver natural lift from within. A useful glow. It says it's $27. But it's definitely darker than the one that I have. But I've been using this for a while, y'all. A while. At least a year. And I just mix it with my concealers. The shade I got is, this says it's a blaze. And I don't know what shade this one is. Oh, this one is, girl, I'll tell you the truth. A Rule, the one I purchased, is Rule. And this one that I have, that I got, is a Blaze. And it's real nice. It's nice. It's not drying. And I used to mix this with my other concealers. That's what I did because it added moisture. It has a little sponge tip on the end. It comes out. I know because I popped mine out a couple times. I don't use it because, to wet it and put it back in there, that's too much work. But anyway, let me show y'all what the color looks like. And it give you a little shine. This ain't gonna, probably just give you a little, this gonna be a even match to my skin. That's what it looks like to me. And the one I have, it's like a little highlighter. So, I don't know. Maybe I could mix it with a foundation that's a little too light. I mean, with a concealer that's a little too light and it still works. But I love the formula, so I'm not mad about that. And if I didn't say that was $27, I know that for a fact. The next thing, what is this? Hot Toddy. Is it on my face? Here, let me find the card. Why Boxycharm? This is what it says. Drybar Hot Toddy Heat Protected Mist. A lightweight spray that protects dry hair from heat, styling, and curling, strengthening, styling irons up to 450 degrees. It said this was $27. I am not too excited about this, even though Drybar is a pretty, major. But I haven't been wearing my human hair wigs, and I don't curl my hair. I can't get enough to curl. So, I don't know. I guess I could pull out a bunch of my human hair wigs but I'm not going to use the curling irons. I know me. I'll put those bendy rods in there and let it sit overnight and dry before I curl some hair. So this I'm not too excited about. Not excited about it all. And I'm not sure that I would pay $27 for a heat protect spray. When I go to the beauty supply store and probably get one for like $4. I'm just saying. It is what it is. It is Drybar. It is name brand. So on to the next. The next thing I have in here is the Coconut Skin Soothing Primer Moisturizer. I think I already have this too. I think I bought it and didn't use it. Let me see. Yep, I already have this too. The Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer. Exact same thing. Dang it. This base box sucked for me this month. Yep, they both the same thing. Ain't that something? I guess that didn't sell well. I just bought it and forgot about it. It says that this product is, where is it? I don't even see it. Oh, the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer, formulated with coconut water and superfood ingredients. It says it's $30. Instantly moisturizes, brightens, hydrates, and smooth while helping blur the appearance of pores. The results is beautiful, healthy skin. Now, I buy stuff every time I see it, so I can't tell y'all what this was. I probably bought this and used it once, and something else came out, and I didn't use it again. So I can't say how much I like it or don't like it. But having another one just made me put it in my everyday makeup drawer. Not really a drawer. Well, it is a drawer, but we ain't gonna talk about it because there's two drawers over there and I can only see the top of them unless I dig in there and try to. I'm gonna do something this weekend. I'm gonna fix it up this weekend. But yeah, this feels really good. This feels really good, but not excited. This box here is not good for me. And what is this? Really? Yeah. What? This is in my box. Bel Air Cosmetic Mini Kabuki Brush. That's what it is. Really? No packaging. No, it's just kind of like throw over in the box. And it says it's $20. The best selling brush is perfect for all over minimal foundation application. $20 for this look. Okay, BoxyCharm. Alright now. Alright. I think I'm on the fence of just I was talking about letting IPSY go, but I think I'm going to give all of these boxes a break. Because this right here, are you serious? For real? For real? Okay. The last thing in here is a palette. And it says this palette is from KABUKI Cosmetics, a day and night eyeshadow palette. I have never heard of KABUKI Cosmetics. I don't know about you guys, but this is what the packaging looks like. And it says this palette has new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shadows to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer shades to create your favorite daytime look and play around with the bolder, darker shades for more intense nighttime look. And it said this was $52. This box here for me was trash. I'm just going to put it like it is and say it. I am not happy with this box at all. Now I said it, I ain't going to keep on talking about it. Let's see what this palette look like. Packaging on the palette looks just like the box. And that's cute. It looks like a lot of palettes that I already have. I'll probably just put this up and give it to my daughter. That's what those shades in there look like. They're cute. But I'm not over the moon. I don't see the bright, vivacious shadows that they talked about. Or, I don't know. Let me swatch it. Yeah. Payoff is okay. Let me get a matte and see what it do. It feel kind of dry. Yeah, I ain't happy with this box, but that's okay. I'll give it probably won't give it a try. I ain't gonna tell y'all that tale. I'm gonna put this in a box for my daughter, because she just was my youngest daughter. I only got two, but the youngest one really loves makeup, so I'll put this in a box for her to play around with. Okay, well, she ain't really young, y'all. She's 26, but still, she loves makeup but hates to buy it. But Anyway, thank y'all for sitting here. I hope y'all boxes is better than this mess that I got. I'm just, you know, I might just be happy with this. And you can always use a good primer. But I think I could have spent $25 on something else. But it's a box and I want the surprise. So it is what it is. Cross my fingers and hope for something better next month. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to trip all the way out. Okay, guys. Y'all stay blessed. Hope y'all having a wonderful afternoon and had a great Wednesday. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, y'all. Bye.